Hi viewers, today we are going to learn about the different steps involved to create a Gmail account. As we all know that Gmail account is very much compulsory for operating Google Chrome and Google Play Store and operating an Android cell phone as well. So today we are going to discuss the three different steps, easiest steps involved to create a Gmail account. For that purpose we have to go to the Google Chrome shown on the desktop. Click on Google Chrome, then right top corner click the logo, then you will have an option manage accounts, then click it. Then further we have click manage accounts on this device, and the next screen add account on device. Checking info process will take place. Then we have to create an account here by clicking create account. Then in the next, for myself, we have to click it, put first name and the second part of the name here in these two tabs like Asad, and in second part Ali. Then click next, put date of birth, that is 1st January 1985. Then next select gender, that may be male or female. Next we have to put here the Gmail account that we are going to formulate. Let's suppose I type here Asadtour123. Oh, it means this username is taken by some other body. Only available is Asadtour392. If we don't like it, we can generate our own Gmail address, and for that purpose I will change it Asadtour321 and then click next. Accepted. Create a strong password that may be a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. So we will put here some letters like A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3, and then a symbol like A, B, C, D, then numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a symbol that it may be static, @ or something else. In the next process, we have to add a phone number only to recover our credentials if we forget something. This phone number is not public, it is confidential and only used to recover the credentials. In the next tab at the bottom, we will click yes, I am in. It is confirmation for the generation of a Gmail address asadtour321@gmail.com. Then click next. Scroll down and at the bottom click I agree. After this process, your Gmail account has been generated and an email will be sent to your email address. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.